Have you ever dreamed of making money online without any selling, prior experience, or affiliate marketing? What if we told you that you could earn up to $1,500 per day just by copying and pasting text? You might think it sounds too good to be true, but stick with me, and we shall show you a simple method using Google News that can make you serious cash. Plus, I'll share some bonus tips to speed up the process and ensure you make money every single time. Let's get into it. The first step is to head over to News, Google.com, or simply search for Google News on Google. You might be wondering, how can we make money with Google News? Well, this website constantly updates with the latest news from all over the world, multiple times per day. Our goal is to choose a niche or topic that interests us, find a newsworthy article within that niche, copy the article's text, and then move on to the next step. We're basically copying brand new articles, tweaking them, and then selling those articles for a profit. Don't worry, it's super easy, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. For example, let's say we choose the health niche from the list of topics on Google News. Within the health section, we can choose sub-niches like medication, healthcare, mental health, nutrition, and fitness. Let's go with nutrition for this example. Now, we'll select an article, such as the best high-fiber lunch according to a dietitian. Open the article and copy the entire text. In this case, the article is from a site called Eating Well, which is also a site we could potentially submit our article to and get paid. With the article text copied, head over to Spinbot.com and choose the paraphrasing tool. Paste the copied text into the tool and click Basic Paraphrase. This tool will rewrite the entire article for us, giving us a new rephrased version. Copy the newly rephrased article from the right-hand side and paste it into a Google Doc or any text editor you prefer. This way, you'll have a safe place to store the rewritten article for the next step. Next, go back to Google and search for Submit Articles and Get Paid. This search will give you a list of websites that pay writers for submitting articles. Some sites offer $1 per word or even more, which means a 1,000-word article could earn you a cool $1,000 or more. As you scroll through the search results, you'll find links to websites with guidelines on how to submit articles and potentially get paid. For example, one result might be Get Paid to Write Articles. 21 amazing sites that pay $100 plus. Click on one of these links, and you'll typically find information on how to submit your article to that particular website. Some sites have a contact form, while others may require you to email them your pitch. When emailing your pitch, you can say something like, "Hi, I'm looking to submit an article on topic. Here's a brief overview. Insert a summary. Let me know if you're interested in seeing the full article. Include your contact information, and if the website expresses interest, you can send them the full article you rewrote using the Spinbot paraphrasing tool." Now let's use an example site like Smashing Magazine. Their guidelines state, "Pitch to us. We would like to see an outline initially rather than a complete article. Your pitch should be sent via our contact form and include who is the target audience for the article. What will the target audience take away from reading the article? Why are you the best person to write this article? Include links to other writing and details of your own experience. Your proposed outline 200 to 300 words with the main headings and details of what you will cover in each section." So you'd click on their contact form, fill it out with the requested information about your article, and send it off. It's that simple. Remember, with Google News constantly updating, you'll never run out of fresh ideas to copy and rewrite. And with hundreds of sites potentially willing to pay for your articles, you can easily land your first submission and make anywhere from $500 to $1,500 or more. Now, full disclosure, you will likely face rejection multiple times before an article gets accepted. But if you keep at it and contact as many sites as possible, eventually, someone will publish your work and pay you for it. However, there's one critical thing to keep in mind. Some sites may reject AI-generated or paraphrased articles, and they might even blacklist you if they detect it. To prevent this, read the original article from Google News and truly understand the topic before choosing your niche. For example, if you're interested in health and fitness, choosing a health-related niche would be a great fit because you already have some knowledge and can add your insights to the rewritten article. After using the paraphrasing tool, search for related topics on Google to find additional information you can incorporate into the article. The more you build out the article with your unique perspectives and increase the word count, the less likely it will be flagged as AI-generated or spun content. By adding 300 to 500 words of your original thoughts and insights, you can create a truly unique piece that will pass muster with even the most discerning publishers. Now, most websites will pay you through PayPal, but if you don't have access to PayPal, let them know your preferred payment method: Egg, Bankwire, Wise, Com when they agree to publish your article. They'll typically be happy to accommodate your preferred payout option, as long as you communicate it up front. If this process still sounds too complicated and you don't have the time to add your insights to the articles, there's a bonus method for you. Head over to Fiverr.com and search for articles and blog posts. On Fiverr, you can find experienced writers willing to create unique articles for you for as little as $10 to $15. Give them the topic you found on Google News and the guidelines from the website you want to submit to, and ask them to write their spin on the article, ensuring they follow the guidelines 100%. This way, you'll receive a unique article tailored to the website's requirements without having to do any writing yourself. Even if your outsourced article gets rejected a few times, which is highly unlikely, you've only spent $15 or so. But if just one article gets accepted, you could make $500 to $1,500 or more, a fantastic return on investment. One key advantage of outsourcing the writing is that you can have multiple articles created simultaneously, increasing your chances of getting accepted by different publishers. While you might only be able to create 1 to 2 unique articles per day on your own, you could easily have 5 to 10 articles written for you on Fiverr for a relatively low cost. This parallel processing approach can dramatically accelerate your path to getting published and earning that lucrative $1,500 per day or more. Whichever route you choose, writing the articles yourself or outsourcing consistency is key. Set aside dedicated time each day or week to submit new articles to a fresh batch of publishers. Create a spreadsheet to track which sites you've already contacted, and follow up politely but persistently until you start landing those all-important acceptances. As the acceptances start rolling in, your confidence will grow, and the process will become more streamlined. You'll develop a keen eye for identifying the types of articles and niches that are in high demand, and you'll be able to cater your submissions accordingly. Before you know it, that $1,500 per day income could become a reality, all thanks to Google News and a bit of clever copy and paste wizardry. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family members who could also use some extra income, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more creative money-making strategies just like this one, so stay tuned. Your path to online riches starts right here, right now. Let's get to work.